To troubleshoot a DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall, start by understanding the basics of firewalls and their role in securing your server. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. First, ensure you have the necessary credentials to access your DigitalOcean account and Droplet. Log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the droplet you want to troubleshoot. Check the droplet's status and ensure it is running and accessible. Next, review the firewall rules configured for your droplet. DigitalOcean provides a built-in firewall system called Cloud Firewalls. To access Cloud Firewalls, navigate to the networking section of your DigitalOcean account. Then click on Firewalls. Here, you can view and manage all the rules applied to your droplet. When troubleshooting firewall issues, common problems include blocked incoming or outgoing traffic, incorrect rule configurations, or outdated rules. To resolve these issues, start by checking the inbound and outbound rules. Ensure that the necessary ports are open for your application or service. For example, if you are running a web server, you will need to open port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. Another key concept is understanding the difference between allow and deny rules. Allow rules permit traffic to pass through the firewall, while deny rules block traffic. It is essential to prioritize these rules correctly to avoid conflicting configurations. To add a new rule, click on the Create Firewall button. Then select the protocol, port range, and source IP address. You can also specify a particular droplet or a tag to apply the rule to. Make sure to test your new rule to ensure it is working as expected. Best practices for configuring and troubleshooting DigitalOcean Droplet Firewalls include regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules, using secure protocols, and limiting access to sensitive ports. It is also crucial to monitor your droplet's security logs to detect any potential issues. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively troubleshoot and manage your DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall, ensuring the security and integrity of your server and applications. Regular maintenance and monitoring are essential to prevent potential security breaches and downtime.